Hi everyone, this is Irfan from ehacking.net, and in this video I will discuss how to install and configure the Whonix Anonymous operating system in VirtualBox. The concept of Whonix has been discussed in my last episode where I have discussed several tools and techniques in order to become anonymous online in 2020. So this video is the extension of that particular lecture, and in this video I'll quickly demonstrate the configuration and installation of Whonix. First of all, you need to download the Whonix appliances from the official website. You can see the link to download in the description. Apart from the Whonix appliances, you need VirtualBox software in order to have this Whonix installed and configured. After downloading, you just need to import the appliances. For this purpose, you just need to go import appliance, browse it, and then that's it. Very basic steps to follow. Do not change anything. Make it like this network, and then just import it. Okay, it will take some time because it needs to import two appliances. One is Whonix Gateway and the other is Whonix Workstation. As I said that I have discussed the concept before, just a quick overview here. Whonix Workstation is an isolated machine. It does not even know the real IP of this host machine. However, this Whonix Gateway utilizes the advantages of Tor network in order to communicate with the internet. So the Whonix Workstation that has the desktop applications can connect to the internet or can communicate with the other servers or computer in the internet with only using the Whonix gateway that is the part of or that use Tor network in order to send the traffic. So this is Torified, while the host machine is still non-Torified operating system. So it will take some time. So you will see these two virtual machines once you are done with the import. First of all, without starting the workstation, we need to configure the gateway first. Whonix gateway. Just press start and it will load all the components. It is very simple. You just need to accept the information provided by the Whonix, or it is recommended to read all these information so that you can see what Whonix is all about and what kind of anonymity the Whonix can provide. Okay, so this is the second part. Of course, it doesn't come with a warranty or liability. You need to read these in order to understand. Okay, so it's gonna. Okay, once you are done this, you just need to select this connect option automatically so that every time the machine starts, it's automatically connected with the Tor network without any actions required from the user end. Okay, it's okay, not an issue. So it will take some time, and once it is done, everything's been set up. It's now connecting with the Tor network, establishing the Tor circuit. Although you can see that this gateway also consists several desktop applications, for example, web browser and others. How it is not recommended to use these from this gateway. Apart from this, you will not be able to do it. Let's say this. Because it says that you need to use the workstation in order to browse the internet using the browser. Okay, meanwhile it's working. Let's start the workstation. It is simple. Just click on this. It will load and get the things done. So this is workstation. Follow the same procedure. Nothing difficult. All easy to follow and easy to navigate. So let me open the gateway and workstation in parallel. This is gateway and this is workstation. You can see. All right, so what we are going to do now, let's open the web browser and see the internet connection. Okay, so it is a Tor browser. As discussed, that it uses the Tor. You need to check whether this browser is able to run the Tor properly or not. Tor project. .org. In parallel with, we will see what is my IP. Okay, so this browser is configured to use Tor, and this is the IP. It appears this IP. Now let's see what other services say about the IP address. Okay, trying to recognize the IP version 4. Say the country Austria. Leave this one. This shows altogether a different IP. As I said that every time whenever you hit a website, as I discussed in the theoretical concept, that every time you hit a website, the Tor gives you the new exit relay, hence new location, new IP. Okay. So it seems that I'm using something like this. This is the host, I think from Hungary. What is my IP? Okay, this is this IP. It is different than this. So new IP, new location. So yes, this is now location. Okay, so this is how you have this Whonix installed and set up. Now you can easily browse the websites or do whatever you want to do without being tracked or getting caught. This Whonix comes with several tools. For example, the chatting tools and other tools. However, since it is based on Debian Linux, you can have the other application installed and configured. It's not an issue anymore now. You can do the basic stuffs there already, but you can have whatever you want to install in the OS. This is based on Debian Linux. So this is it for this lecture, and see you with some other lecture. And yes, do not forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and on YouTube, of course. Take care. Bye bye.